Managing client projects gets a whole lot easier when you use templates in ClickUp. With just a few clicks, you can activate pre-built workflows that save time and keep everything organized. Here's how to do it. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to the space, folder, or list where you want to apply a template. Click the ellipsis icon next to the name, then choose templates and select browse templates. In the template center, you'll see options created by ClickUp or ones you have saved yourself. Define templates specific to client workflows. Try searching for terms like client onboarding, CRM, or project tracker. Once you find the right tone, you just you gotta click on use template. Yeah, you'll then be asked to choose what to include, like tasks, assignees, statuses, and due dates. Customize these based on your current project needs. Once you have it done, click Use Template again, and ClickUp will generate the workflow automatically in your selected space. This gives you a ready-to-go setup with all the structure in place, and perfect for keeping client work on track. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on creating your reusable templates from scratch.